So yeah guys, let's go ahead and set up a few phones. I'll show you guys the process of setting up a brand new phone for phone farming. Yeah, basically we're going to unbox this right now. Alright guys, episode 2 is here. Let's go. Alright guys, so currently we are in my basement, and sorry for the echo, it is a bit echoey in here, but bear with me guys. Also, one more thing is, I probably shouldn't have underestimated you guys on your liking abilities, cause goddamn bro. I asked for 10 likes in my previous video and we're pretty much 50% there already. And I don't know when I'm going to upload this, but I'm assuming you guys already hit the 10 like goal, and yeah, currently we're recording at 11:29, aka 11:30 my time. So yeah, you guys hit that like button, and now I'm scrambling to get the second video out. Either ways guys, we're setting up a brand new phone farm right there in that box right there. And we're gonna be replacing a few phones right here because all of this is a mess. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and set up a few phones. I'll show you guys the process of setting up a brand new phone for phone farming, and also downloading the apps and getting them started right here in this episode. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So what do we have in this box? Well, we got 5 phones, hopefully. I ordered this on eBay. We got, you know, a pack of chargers from Costco and a few phones. Now these phones are the ones that I was talking about last episode. They finally got here. I did go ahead and actually unbox these already because, well, I was actually too excited. Now these originally I ordered them for cash magnet because, you know, they got that little fingerprint thing right here like I described in the previous video. So yeah guys, if you go ahead and actually get a fingerprint phone like one of these here, well, they're more likely to work well on cash magnet. So I think I'm going to be using one of these phones here for a cash magnet because, well, we're running 3 of them on our challenge video phones. If you guys don't know what that is, we took $100 and we're still trying to turn that to 1,000. If you guys haven't seen that, go ahead, click the little tab above. It will bring you guys to a playlist. Anyways, going back to this, we'll be running one of these phones on cash magnet because we actually need to replace one of those phones sitting over there. Anyways guys, who's ready to unbox some stuff? And I just realized something. No guys, I did not order some handgun cartridges because yeah, I don't have any bullets. At least I don't think. Now we got to get our unboxing scissors out. These things are like the dullest things, bro. I'm just like grabbing it with my full strength on the blade. So here we go guys. We got all these phones, and surprisingly they came almost brand new in the box. Look at that. That is some weird stuff, dude. And if you look at the price tag, that's $59.95. Same with this one. And I'm pretty sure the rest are also, but the other ones don't have the laminate, that little smooth laminate. Yeah guys, I paid like $180 or something like that for these phones. I'll double check and throw up a screenshot right now, but like, yeah, that value though. Looks like we're gonna have to do more unboxing, though this one's kind of already unboxed. So let's go ahead and actually open this bad boy up. Do we just, oh, just slide it. There we go. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's like brand new stuff, dude. I thought I bought a used listing. What the hell? Okay, well, I wasn't expecting this. Dude, it comes with a charger and everything. That is so weird. Dude, it even comes with a case? What the heck? Well, not like we're gonna need this, but... And here's the phone itself. So, looks like an older version, so definitely not as nice as those ones sitting over there, but yeah, this is the phone right here. Doesn't look too bad at all. It still has the seal on it. That's pretty sick, dude. You know what? Let's just see how this goes, guys. Fresh out of the box, as you guys can clearly see. We're just gonna open this bad boy up if we can with one hand. It's kind of hard. There we go. And now we gotta unbox this battery because, okay, we'll be right back. And there we go. We got the battery straight out of the packet thing over here. Now we're gonna go ahead and actually plug it in because that's what we have to do. Next, cover goes back on and slap. Oh, there we go, dude. All right, there we go. So now what we can do is actually set up this phone, and I'm about to show you guys how you guys can actually set up phones from beginning to end for phone farming. Next, we're just gonna go ahead and select no thanks, because we're not trying to copy over any data from a different phone. So now should be loading. These older model phones will take a bit of time, so give it some time. Be back in a bit. So the next part, what we're going to do is actually create an account, and it's very simple. You guys want to create a brand new Google account, just click create account, click for myself, and there we go. We're just going to set this up. So there we go, guys. We just finished setting up the basic stuff. Now I'm about to show you guys what I do with all my phone farming phones as soon as I get them. What we're going to do is actually head over to settings. Now once this loads up, what you guys want to do is actually scroll to about phone. Now after you click on about phone, you should find build number right here. You just tap this 7 times, and there we go. Should be. There we go. Now we got developer options enabled. What we want to do is actually go ahead and click on it, then just select stay awake, and that is pretty much it. Now we're gonna go ahead and download this app, and then we're gonna run it. So yeah, we're gonna have to do that with all the other phones. God damn, this is gonna take a while. Alright guys, quick update. Basically, I got tired, went to sleep, and now this is the next day. And yes, you guys smashed that like button. We're at 16 likes already, so yeah, I gotta get this video out very soon. But basically, what we're going to do here is we downloaded AA Music. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. We're running AA Music on all these phones here, which will take a while to set up. This phone, or these phones over here, we're gonna run 1 cache magnet on one of them, and then probably 2 honey gains, because those 2 honey gains sitting over there keep crashing. So we're gonna up the goodness of the phone. I know that's not really a word for describing a phone condition, but anyways, so going back over to this phone, what we're going to do is basically set it up. As you guys can see right here, we're just gonna go ahead and click sign up, and we want to sign up with Google because that is the easiest way of doing it. So guys, what is the verdict? Basically, well, I would suggest getting a little bit of a better phone than this one. As you guys can see, it's very laggy, crashes a lot, and yeah, it's not the best phone at all. These phones over here actually work really well, though those are like 300 bucks in total for all these Canadian dollars, but yeah. So yeah, if you do have a bigger budget, I do suggest getting the better phones, because then you won't be spending your time resetting things all the time, and it just gets annoying. So if you guys are wondering what the specs are on this phone, it's running on Android 6.0. It is a older phone, so yeah, can't expect too much from it. So here we are, guys, AA Music. We're starting off with 20 points, and how this app works, if you don't already know, basically you play music, earn some cash passively, and you guys can use any of these services right here. Now obviously for me, Spotify is the easiest one to go with because it's free, and also it's really easy to do. So what we're gonna do is actually go ahead and download Spotify, because we kind of need to do that first. So on this phone, we're going over to Google Chrome. We're just typing in honey gain just to download the actual APK, because I don't believe it's in the App Store right now. And here it is. Let's go ahead and click on that. Download for Android, very simple. Alright, there we go. Just click download for Android, click continue, allow, and there we go. We got this APK downloaded. Open that bad boy up. Oh wait, we have to also go into settings, click allow, and there we go, boys. We got Honeygain installed. We just click that install button, and there we go. We got Honeygain installed on our phone. Alright, there we go. So now we are on Honeygain. Now we actually gotta go ahead and sign in to my previous account, because I already have a Honeygain account, so I'll be right back once I do that. So we're just gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in, and then we're gonna go ahead and actually get AA Music running on this phone right here. So very simple. Just gonna go ahead and log into this account and Spotify. So guys, a little bit disappointing, but yeah, this phone can't run AA Music properly whatsoever. Basically, you can only run one app at a single time, and it's just so annoying, dude, because every time I go back to AA Music, it stops the Spotify playlist, and it's just It's horrible. No, please stay away from this phone. So honestly, I'm not too sure what to do with these, but I guess we could run a little bit of crypto tap on all these phones over here, because that shouldn't be a problem, hopefully. So yeah guys, I'll figure out something to do with these phones, but you know what, for now we'll be working with these beautiful phones right here, which are all out of charge, but we'll find some chargers for these. And then yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get all this sorted out with the other phones. Hopefully we can find something. In the meantime, you guys can clearly see we are running honey gain on that Nexus 5X, I think this is what it's called. And yeah, so this is actually doing pretty well. Personally, I've actually had a really good experience with LG phones. Any other phones like ZTE and stuff, they work, it's just, yeah, they crash a lot. So if you do take anything out of this video, is that make sure you guys actually get decent phones if you're trying to start a phone farm. Don't just buy the cheapest ones around, because, well, if you have the money, you might as well spend a little bit more and get the better phones like these ones right here. So that way you guys can actually run any apps without crashing, without stalling, without any of that. And it's just a hassle to deal with. So yeah guys, we got honey gain going right here, and as you guys can clearly see right now, we got $31.91. So from that point, we're just gonna see how much this phone actually earns. So the plan is, guys, we're running 2 honey gains, 1 extra cash magnet here, and then we can run AA music on this phone right here, which will eat up all our Nexuses. And yeah, we'll figure out what to do with that later. Alright guys, so here we are on Amazon. Now if you don't know why we're on Amazon, well, basically those Nexus phones didn't come with any chargers, and to my surprise they were USB-Cs and not just USB chargers, so I don't have any of these. Well, I have one, but I mean that's not gonna do for all 4. So what I'm gonna do is actually order a pack on Amazon. Hopefully these get here pretty soon. They should. We have Amazon Prime right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually choose one of these, check out, and then yeah. Right guys, so here's the problem. This episode's a mess. These ones right here, actually I only have 1 cord for them because it's the USB-C type plug, and I only have 1 of them available right now. And that means these phones right here can't even turn on. And then furthermore, these phones right here and that one right there literally suck. So yeah guys, this episode's been pretty much a mess, but don't worry guys, if you want to see episode 3, drop a like down below, and then we're going to go ahead and actually solve all these issues here. We're going to get new cords from Amazon. We're getting a solution for all these phones over here, and then I'll see you guys over there. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out for now.